Welcome back to No Nonsense Reviews and How-Tos. Today I'm going to show you how to activate Crossplay for Minecraft on your Nintendo Switch. This means that you'll be able to play in the same Minecraft world as your friends on each of your own Switches. Let's get started. You need to own Minecraft on Nintendo Switch already, of course, so sign in, and it's important to note that you'll need a Microsoft account, a Hotmail or an Outlook email address. If you don't already have one, then sign up for one. Once here, go to sign in with a Microsoft account. This box will pop up asking you to go to this website and enter a specific code. At the website, enter the code that's present on your Switch, and then click Next. It will then ask you to sign into your Microsoft account. All done. Back at the Switch, you will see this screen start to load. And then this box will pop up. This should happen automatically after you enter in that password in the website. From here, press play and go to Create New World. Create New World again. Name your world whatever you want. Change the default game mode. My kids want to play creative, so I'm going to do that. Next, make sure you go to multiplayer and ensure that multiplayer is on. You can change who gets invited to multiplayer if you want, up to you. Once that's all done, click on Create. Go to Proceed. And your multiplayer world is ready to go. On somebody else's Switch now, log into Minecraft. Go to Play. Go to Friends. And there is the world that we created, Switch Crossplay. Go to Proceed. Now let's see if we could find our friend in this world. There he is. And that's really about it. Now we're going to go back to the original Nintendo Switch where we created the world and see what it looks like on that screen. As you can see, it's showing that we have a friend now in the Crossplay world. I'm going to resume game and see if I can find him. There he is, right in front of me. Thanks for watching.